Hey folks on the flight deck, your captain speaking. The hard part's over. Now you can sit back and relax and we'll take care of the rest here. Be out of here shortly, an hour and 35 minutes en route. Should be a nice smooth flight all the way down there. Partly cloudy skies in Salt Lake and 82 degrees. Welcome aboard.
On the mic like it's a dick. The shit. Bro. Yeah. What's good, good? And what's good, evil? And what's good, gangsters? And what's good, people? And why God phone die every time that I call on them? If his son had a Twitter, wonder if I would follow him. Swallow them synonyms like cinnamon, cinnabon. Keep all them sentiments down to a minimum. Studious, gluteus, maxim models is sending home. Pics of they genitalia, tallied up 10 of them. I slurp too many painkills down, I'm off a lot. I got a lot of off days, but it ain't often that I'm off the clock. Y'all know what I mean? I got the Chicago blues. We invented rock before the Stones got through. We just aiming back cause the cops shot you. Buck, buck, bang, bang, yelling fuck Fox News. Booyaka, buckle up, motherfuck ops too. Ain't no knuckling up, young, cause it's just not cool. Nice to see you 5 the New Year. Little finger, Uncle Samuel. Shooting death with weighted dice and hitting stains on birthday candles. I know somebody loves my ass, cause they help me beat my demon's ass. Every